Budget laptop guide. Don't waste money on laptop. Buy this type instead. With this characteristic, we are sure of buying a good laptop for you. Don't waste money on laptop. For a budget laptop, you need an 8 GB RAM minimum. Yes, that's best for any activity or any task you want to do on the computer. SSD storage only. Not that HDD is not good, but they are slow, very slow compared to SDD, which is very fast. Ryzen 3, Intel E3 or more. Quad core are more slower for a good performance. A brand like HP, ThinkPad Lenovo or Lenovo are the best choice brand. Dell is also good, but more slower and weaker than the others. What to avoid? 4 GB of RAM is too slow. For a good budget, it is too slow. Many apps will not work. As you will discover by yourself, try it. HDD only laptops. No. You can have an SSD hard disk and then you have a HDD laptop. It will work because what matters is the transfer of file, easy access to apps which are stored in the HDD or SSD. That means using the SSD will be faster to access, to open apps. Best use. It is mostly used with these characteristics for school, for office work, for browsing, and for small montage videos. If you want, I can recommend exact model for you. I can recommend exact budget for you. Just put in a comment budget and then you have a fixed marketplace concerning your budget. Thank you. Thank you and just like, comment, share, and follow me by activating the notification icon. Thank you.